All right, what's going on, y'all? It is Eric, content creator for Penz Automotive. Today we got a little something special for you. So about 5 years ago, they did this video called Kayak Yakkin that involved Todd and one of the original content creators for Penz Automotive, or Subaru of Rochester at the time. They got in a canoe and had a bunch of people just throw water balloons at them while they were in a pond. And well, as you can see, the pond is right behind me. So we are going to be doing a little bit of a round 2 today, and Todd and I are going to be jumping in the canoe and, well, getting pelted once again by water balloons. But thankfully it is about 85, 86 degrees out. It's hot as crap, and I'm not too scared to get in there, other than, I mean, maybe being a snapping turtle or snake, I don't know. But it's gonna be a fun video. Super excited for you guys to watch, so let's get to it.
Another day super.
How are we feeling about today's little snafu of throwing some water balloons at myself and Todd?
Oh, I'm excited. You know, I'm just gonna have to dodge, dip, dive, and dodge.
Then you've got to learn the 5 Ds of dodgeball. Dodge, duck, dip, dive, and dodge. If you master the 5 Ds...
I'm gonna nail Todd right in the face.
Oh, all right. Not me?
His hair is looking pretty right now. It ain't gonna be when they're done.
I'm super excited about it.
Are you?
Yeah, very. All right, we love that.
Are you guys ready for today and throwing some water balloons at us?
Heck yeah, absolutely. On a scale of 1 to 10, probably like 150.
150? Holy crap. All right, you. How excited are you?
Pretty excited.
Well, that wasn't exciting.
That was
Is that what you're going to be doing?
Oh, I'm gonna do it like this.
Oh, that was beautiful form.
Oh, I feel great. It's hot, it's muggy, it's a little dark, but we're gonna send it.
I'm excited about it. It'll be fun.
Yeah.
Put stuff in the car. It'll be a good time. Let's go.
A little bit.
Well, I think the last one we did, Eric, was in 2018.
You got a turn.
2018.
Yep. So it's been about 5 years. What,
Well, since then, we've added 3 more stores. We added a Buick GMC store, a Nissan store, and a Chevrolet store in Spring Valley. And with the same concept of helping all of our customers love what they drive.
Yeah,
This,
all right. So question number 2. What has been your favorite memory so far of owning 4 different dealerships?
Man, just seeing the growth and development of people and our customers returning has been great. Seeing our community thrive through our partnerships have been a blessing. What's going on with Zach Winters over there?
I don't know. I think he's
Go over there, 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 over there.
Okay, we're going. All right, we're gonna come back around. All right. All right.
What are the questions you got for me? Man, this little pond smells. Ooh,
I know.
I went to visit. Ooh, I got smoked in the back by a water balloon.
All right, you guys better chill up there. All right, another question. For the foreseeable future, what's the next biggest plan for the company?
Well, we're looking to build a new Nissan store.
Okay. When's that taking place?
Hopefully relatively soon. We're gonna remodel the Buick GMC store, which is gonna be great.
Okay.
And we're gonna continue with our mission of just helping our customers love what they drive, providing a great experience to our customers, and helping our community.
Okay. Love that. All right, and then as far as any other big summer plans, do you have any right now?
No, family and I went to Door County, we went up to the North Shore, saw Lake Michigan, saw Lake Superior.
No?
Kids starting school soon.
Okay.
Fall and winter sports keep ramping up. So yeah, it's gonna be great.
Summer's coming to an end pretty
Summer's
soon.
coming to an end, hence why we're out here.
All right.
Let's spin it.
Let's spin, yeah. And keep going. Yeah, break it. Oh.
You know what you're doing?
Huh? I think we got it. All right.
We don't know what we're doing, guys. Sorry. We're a little... Last time I was in a canoe was 2017 or 18.
All right. Well, we have rapid fire questions coming soon with rapid fire.
I don't want to get freaking wet. Now tell them through.
All right. Whenever you guys want. Rapid fire! Ah! All right, so time. Ah! What's your birthday?
March 12th.
March 12th. All right. What do you want to do?
What do you want to do fun this summer?
Yeah.
Not get hit by water balloons.
I'm gonna re-ask the question. Josh, what's your anniversary?
August 15th.
August 15th. You said change from last time.
No.
What's your favorite birthday right now?
All of them.
We're going down. All right.
I got smoke in the head.
That's a really big hit.
That one hurt.
Did it?
Yeah. Why are we going backwards?
I don't know. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh. I can't think. There's too much going on. Alright, we need to get a little closer. It's hot. Alright, if you can change anything. I got hit on the face. Back up!
I don't know where I'm going. Back up! Back up! Are we done? Ow! Ow!
Alright, I think we're done.